to serve cricket in whichever way I could, But I thought, I think this was a very good opportunity because I think with the way things have been happening, with the way things have been going on for so many years, I mean, the cricket of Hyderabad has really suffered a lot actually, to be very honest, because we've hardly produced any players after producing so many great players. So I think there's a lot of talent is there, but I honestly felt that whenever I went, wherever I went, people started questioning my association, saying that your association is like this. I mean, you're not doing well, not playing well. The team is getting all out 27. All those things, like it, I mean, I felt very bad. I felt that, I mean, the association which I represented all along, and now what is happening was very sad. I don't want to go into the details because I think I mean it's very hard to recover the past. I think it's impossible to recover the past, but I don't want to go into the past. But whatever anybody did, good, bad, I mean I'm not really interested in that. But my job is to make sure that the cricket of Hyderabad flourishes again. And I think before when I played, I mean whenever we played, we always used to say, okay, he's from Andhra Pradesh. But now I feel very proud that the state of Telangana is being formed, and anything goes wrong in the association or for that matter any federation, it directly affects the name of the Telangana state, which I don't like it to go down, because I think with great difficulty the state has come up. Now we have to protect the name of the state and make sure that things happen in the right way, because now it's a different setup, with the Lodha committee and everything, that things are going to change. So hopefully we want to work together